Most people do push-ups wrong because they chase high numbers instead of good form. Rushing through reps with bad technique just builds bad habits and risks injury. The biggest mistake? Losing body control. Hips sagging, bum in the air, or a bent back. When your body isn't in a straight line, you're not working the right muscles. This leads to sore joints and little progress. Your form is your foundation. Get your alignment right from hands to heels. Quality reps engage every muscle and build real strength. Chasing numbers feeds your ego but starves your muscles. When you rush, you use momentum, not muscle. The real magic happens when you control the movement, both down and up. That tension is what makes you stronger. So, next time you do push-ups, ask, am I just moving or am I building strength? Focus on perfect form, not just rep count. Hand placement is everything. Hand placement is everything. Hand placement is everything. Place your hands just wider than your shoulders, wrists just outside a straight line from your shoulders. Spread your fingers wide and grip the ground for a stable base. Point your middle fingers forward. As you lower, keep elbows at a 45-degree angle. Don't flare them out. This protects your shoulders and lets your chest and triceps do the work. Start on all fours, hands under shoulders, then move them slightly forward and wider. Rotate hands so fingers point forward and screw your hands into the floor. Feel your shoulders engage and stabilize. This position is your secret weapon for safe, effective push-ups. You might do fewer reps at first, but you'll be using the right muscles. Stick with it. Your strength will skyrocket. Proper setup beats high reps every time. Now, lock in your body from head to heels. Think of yourself as a solid plank. Push the floor away to engage your shoulders and round your upper back slightly. Keep your abs tight, as if bracing for a punch to prevent hips from sagging. Squeeze your glutes and flex your quads to keep your body straight. This full body tension connects upper and lower body for maximum strength. As you lower, maintain this tension. Don't let anything go loose. Your chest leads the way, and your whole body moves as one piece. It's tough, but this is what turns a push-up into a total body exercise. Every rep should feel controlled and powerful. That's how you build a rock-solid body. Push-ups are for everyone, beginners and pros alike. If you're new, start with incline push-ups on a wall or bench. Focus on perfect form, not just getting reps. Knee push-ups are another option. Keep a straight line from head to knees, core tight, glutes squeezed. Lower your chest to the floor, then push back up. Once you master these, try standard push-ups on your toes. To make it harder, slow down. Take 3-4 seconds to lower. Pause, then push up fast. This increases muscle tension and builds strength fast. For advanced folks, try decline push-ups or explosive push-ups with a clap. Always challenge yourself. When it gets easy, find a harder variation. Progress comes from pushing your limits, not just repeating what's comfortable. Keep your form tight no matter the variation. That's how you go from beginner to beast mode. The real secret? Quality over quantity. Always. 5 perfect push-ups beat 50 sloppy ones every time. Each rep is a chance to get stronger. Don't waste it by rushing. Focus on the muscles working. Feel the stretch on the way down, the contraction on the way up. This mind-muscle connection is key to real results. Treat every set as practice, not just a chore. Master the skill of moving with strength and control. Celebrate perfect reps, not just high numbers. Leave your ego at the door and focus on your best form every time. Check your hands, lock your core, squeeze your glutes, and move with control. Do this, and you'll unlock your true push-up potential. Now get to it. You've got this.